So for our first solution, we are going to install Windows updates. So the first thing, go ahead and go to your Windows search and just type in update, and you'll be able to see the check for updates section here. Once there, you can just click on check for updates, see if there are recent updates from Microsoft, and install them for you. Um, you can restart your PC after updating your Windows and see if that fixes your issue. Our next solution is to install updates for your drivers. So how do you install updates for your drivers? So first, go ahead and go to your update again. Go to this section here in update and security. Just click on view all options, optional updates, and just bring up the driver updates here. Expand this, and you'll be able to see the updates for your other hardware in your PC. Just put a checkbox on that section and just click on download and install. And finally, our third solution is to fix corrupted system files. So how do we fix corrupted system files? So first thing you want to do here is just click on your Windows search and just type in command. You'll see the command prompt application. Just right click on it and just make sure that you run this as administrator. Once you've done that, go ahead and type the following that I'll be showing you, which is sfc space scan now, and just let this run. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your PC. Uh, Once you've done this scan, you can go ahead and restart your PC and check if that fixes your issue. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.